Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Clinical classification of gynecomastia. So clinical classification of gynecomastia are we have three grades. One we have grade 1. Grade 1 in grade 1 there is mild breast enlargement is seen. In grade 1 there is mild breast enlargement is seen without skin redundancy. Then we have grade 2A. In grade 2A there is moderate breast enlargement is seen, and without, this is also without skin redundancy. Then we have grade 3, that is grade 2B, sorry, grade 2B. In grade 2B also there is moderate breast enlargement is seen, but here with skin redundancy. Then we have grade 3. In grade 3 there is marked enlargement is seen with skin redundancy also, and there is also ptosis is present. So this grade 3 will almost look like, or it simulates the female breast. Here the redundant skin means that there is loose skin without skin loosening, that is without skin redundancy.
thank you and thank you for watching.